Meaning of free radical.
Free radical.
Free radical.
Free radical.
Free radical. A free radical is a highly reactive molecule with an unpaired electron in its outermost shell. This makes the molecule unstable and likely to react with other molecules in an attempt to regain stability. Free radicals can occur naturally within the body as a result of metabolic processes, but also through exposure to environmental factors such as pollution and radiation. When free radicals react with important cellular components like DNA, proteins, and cell membranes, it can cause damage and lead to health problems such as cancer, heart disease, and aging. Antioxidants, found in some foods and supplements, can help neutralize free radicals and protect against their damaging effects.